Oliver from Sunshine Birding. Today we have a special episode. We're getting ready for tomorrow, the Great Backyard Bird Count. I'm going to share with you what we feed our backyard birds and why. These are unsalted roasted peanuts, which we feed our blue jays and titmice. We make this mix combining black oiled sunflower seeds and fruit and nut mix. We have many species that like this mix, including cardinals, titmice, mourning dove, ground doves, blue jays, and some warblers. This is millet, which we feed our painted buntings, which we get in the winter. We've also seen the red-bellied woodpecker, the chipping sparrows, and the pine warblers eating this mix. We feed mealworms to our birds. Many species like the bluebirds, the warblers, and other birds eat this. This is suet. We feed suet cakes, suet plugs, and also suet nuggets. Lots of birds like the suet. We have red-bellied woodpeckers, downy woodpeckers, and other warblers, and the Carolina wren. Tune in tomorrow for more coverage of the Great Backyard Bird Count. Tomorrow I will share some more video of our feathered friends. Practice safe bird feeding by washing your hands and changing your clothes when you get inside. Feeders are filled. Let's see who shows up tomorrow. This is Oliver from Sunshine Birding. Please like and subscribe and smash that like button for tomorrow.